Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to move stop loss on TradeLocker. We can do this on two ways. So first of all, we want to create a trade with a stop loss, and then I will show you exactly how you can move the stop loss. So first of all, what we're gonna do is we go here to the chart, click on market, buy, and then we click here on stop loss. And then from here, let's say we want a stop loss right here on this amount. And then from here, we select here that we want to make a position with 10 grand, and then we click here on buy and do confirm. Then right now here on our chart, you see here the TSL. So if you click now on TSL, we can change it by throwing it more up or more to the low, and then click here on confirm. The other way how to change it is if we go right here to edit position, we can change right here the position. So let's say we want on 93500, and now we do confirm, we change the stop loss position on this way. So these are the two ways how to change the stop losses. Hopefully this was the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.